歡迎大家收睇大人行，我係 Sylvia。
My name is Ricky. Welcome to my workshop, Crafty Hands Woodwork.
即刻開箱啦！噔噔！
Ta-da!
Look how happy he is. Yeah, of course. It's really nice. I like it. And so clean. No rip off, nothing. Good. Ho ho.
Hello! As you saw, we worked quite a while now to put this machine together, and I'm very happy to have it. But now, 1 minute about me. So I'm Mr. Ricky. I'm the owner of Crafty Hands Woodwork Studio. I do woodwork classes for children the age 3 up to 99 plus. How do we do it? Actually, you come here with an idea, or even without an idea. We do a craft, we do a sketch or whatever, and then we actually try to use every type of materials which I have in my workshop to build whatever you want to do. For children, it can be everything from cars, toys, small furnitures, up to adults. It can be from tractor beds to room dividers, beds, furnitures. It can really be everything. And just reach out to me, come here, and enjoy a session.
咁如果咧大家咧都對 Vicky 嘅 workshop 咧想了解多啲嘅話咧，就可以留意呢個嘅網址啦。另外，如果你中意呢條片嘅話咧，記住俾個 like 我哋啦，訂閱我哋嘅 channel，撳埋隔離呢個鐘仔，同埋分享俾朋友啦。拜拜。
Bye bye.